Come on, baby bear. Oh, thank goodness.
Nobody can ever see Bear.
Yeah, I know. Maybe the camera's low enough this morning that she's not on.
Yeah, but I don't know why the menu is showing.
Hello. Testing 1, 2.
That thing on.
Hey, you stay here.
I
Holy
think I just
moly.
got buzzed by a hummingbird. I heard that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Good morning. Love
Morning.
you.
Love you.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Morning. Love you. Chatty cha cha
Hey,
cha.
no rocks.
No rocks.
We're in the wash, which is full of rocks of all different shapes and sizes.
We're sitting down here in the wash again really quick just because it got windy just a few minutes ago. Well, it got breezy. It was perfectly calm. So we're sitting out here in front of the trees and the bushes, and it's kind of protecting us a little bit from the wind and the noise and stuff. So before you even do that, I just changed my mind.
Okay.
We went shopping yesterday to the Walmart, did some grocery shopping. We were going to have big old omelets for dinner last night, but we couldn't afford it. So instead we had a couple big, thick ribeyes, baked potatoes, and wine.
Yeah, couldn't afford the eggs. Oh.
Thank you, Rich.
Oh, goodness. Well, hello, everybody. Happy Saturday. Thank you for joining us this morning. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. And if you aren't, please consider subscribing. And then make sure you click the bell to make sure that you get all the notifications every time we put out a new video. Please like and comment and share. We appreciate you all.
And remember, you can like it with a thumbs up. And if you want to vote twice, go ahead. We don't care.
No, if you do that, then it takes the thumbs off.
Don't vote twice. We don't like it when you do that.
Just one time.
Just one time.
Yes. Jeez. No wonder.
Well, if you're watching this today, tomorrow's the day. If you're watching this tomorrow, which is Sunday, today's the day.
Happy birthday, Bob! Yay, happy birthday, Bob.
Next exit's Bob, just passing through. I think we all are.
Through.
I think we all are.
On to his next
adventure,
yes. So happy birthday, Bob. We love you.
Yes, we do.
So last Saturday was reset day, which we kind of went over Saturday evening when we chatted with you live with wine and not coffee.
Saturday wine chat.
Yeah.
That was pretty fun.
So
we enjoyed that.
It was a lot of fun. Thank you for everybody that was able to join us live, and thank you for everybody that has watched the video after the fact. We appreciate that too.
We might throw together another live one when we're in Quartzsite.
Ooh, that might be hard. Service
That's true.
might be.
With the service the way that it is there, I'm already hearing from friends, it's like, you better get all your radio stuff done early because there's no uploads here.
Yep, I need to get my work done.
Of course, unless you're people like Jim Bertrand, who has Starlink.
Or Dawn.
Or Dawn, Cowboy Biker Adventures.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'll need to get
Maybe I could piggyback.
Oh, boy. So last Saturday was an adventure. If you missed it, we had our reset day, which is where we go dump our tanks and refill with water and throw trash and all that. Well, we went and dumped our tanks, got that all taken care of, and then we went to go fill with water at the rest area that we always go to.
Turned it on and no water.
Blip, 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 no water.
Thought I was in Oklahoma.
Why?
No water, Oklahoma.
Oh, no water. Oh, my gosh. So we had to scramble to try and find water, and we found some at a nice RV park in Winter Haven, so we headed back that direction and filled up with water. It cost us $15 to fill it with water.
Hey, when you're thirsty, it doesn't matter what it costs,
right?
That's right.
Hey, it's worth it. Got to have water. So we went and did that, and then came back here and reset, and it was like, well, it's too late to do our coffee chat, so let's do a live this evening. So that's what we did.
So that was fun.
And
if you haven't seen it, go back and check it, because it's almost a full hour of giggles and laughs and actually real time talking back and forth with you guys. It was a fun time.
Yes, it was. Sunday we ended up just having a relax kind of day. I had a little bit of a headache.
That was Sunday.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sunday had a little bit of headache. I hear
helicopters.
Yep.
Oh boy.
Oh, last night we had a really good flyover, real low. We had already gone to bed, but
Yeah.
you feel the trailer just shake.
It's just amazing how low they do fly over you in this general area out here, west of Yuma.
Yep.
It's crazy.
I love it. It's a lot of fun.
It is.
We enjoy it. It's not constant like the jets that come over SUNY Sands down there
not
where
like
Dave
that.
stays.
but it is kind of like, if you're as old as me, it is kind of like putting a quarter in the thing next to the bed because you do this.
I think I've stayed in a place one time that had that years ago, a very long time ago.
Oh my gosh.
Monday I worked and you played.
I played videos and had fun.
Played videos and you just kind of chilled and relaxed.
Bear and I went for more walks in the desert.
Yep. Tuesday we made it a grocery day, a provision day.
Is that the word?
I remembered the word.
Somebody, I forget who asked, somebody messaged us and said, is it provisioning? And I said, could be.
Close. Provision day. So we went and filled up on groceries because we know we're going to be up in Quartzsite and we prefer not to have to buy anything big there. We do go to the local grocery stores. We'll get milk and maybe some chips and maybe just a loaf of bread or something. But
you can buy a whole chicken cheaper than you can buy a dozen eggs these days. And I'm talking a live chicken.
They're talking about that a lot of people are probably going to consider doing that. But you know what? In the long run, that's not cheaper.
It really isn't, with all the chicken feed that you do have to buy.
And the article was worried about people not taking care of the chickens correctly because, it's not just throw them out in the backyard and throw them your scraps.
Nope.
So there are certain kinds of foods that you need to feed them to keep them healthy. We know this because we had chickens in our yard where we rented. The landlady had chickens, but they were in our yard. She lived next door. Anyway, long story, whatever. But we've been around chickens, so.
I've been around baby chicks too, 400 of them.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
But that's for another story. That's another story for another time.
If you are able to come to our in-person chat that we're going to have up in Quartzsite, and we're looking at Wednesday or Thursday.
We still don't know. We'll put a post on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. We'll throw up a real quick video that says, okay, we're getting ready to do this. It'll be tomorrow, the next day. We'll give you some notice.
Yeah, just an in-person chat kind of thing. So anyway, Tuesday we did that, and then it was, Taco Tuesday. So we did that. We filled up on diesel and gas for the generator. If we need it, we wanted to make sure we had it, and propane. And so we just got all stocked up. And then we had Taco Tuesday. That's Dave's Taco Tuesday.
Yeah.
Wednesday, I worked again, but I also got to do some cards, and I cleaned. And I have a blank by yours because I'm not really sure. I was so busy.
Bear and I went walking.
Yep, that's true. You do that a lot. And Kaylee enjoyed watching the bird channel all day. So here at Hummingbird Point, there are a lot of hummingbirds, and she just sits. We've got a feeder on her window, and they don't just come and sit there and eat. They're chasing each other off of it all the time.
Yeah.
So
they
we
are.
have 4 feeders out, and they still fight over them and won't share. They would get a whole lot more eating done if they would just share. But nope. It's my feeder, get away. There's one little guy that will sit. Tom's got the truck parked parallel with the rig, like outside of our front door. And there's this one little guy that sits on the truck tire.
The rear truck tire. He just sits there, waits for another hummingbird to come up near the feeder. He flies over, chases them away, goes back to the truck tire.
Yep. Selfish little dude. But
I guess you could say that poor little hummingbird, when he chases them away, he's so tired. Never mind.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need to think that one through a little bit more. Try again next week.
Okay.
So Thursday morning you had a work conference call. That was when you
Yep.
Tom cannot sit still and talk on the phone. He walks. He paces. Usually, if it's bad weather, he walks around in circles because we have an island kitchen. He walks around in circles, around in circles. It's just always been fun.
Kind of nice out here. I can do a conference call on my phone. I'll either use my phone or my earbud for the phone, and I just walk through the desert.
Walks all around.
And just walk through the desert, do the conference call.
And he's working. What a great job, huh? Pretty nice. And then I worked. It's, the end of the year stuff, getting everything done. So I've been working on kind of a lot.
Bookkeeping.
For me, yeah. I made a birthday cake for someone's birthday.
Oh my gosh, it was delish.
And I also made some peanut butter balls. They're kind of like Reese's peanut butter cups, only I'm not putting them in the cup. I'm just making the balls and dipping them in chocolate. So those are yummy. So I made some of those so I could take some over to Bob and Pearl, which is where we went yesterday.
Yep.
So we had fun time with Bob and Pearl.
Had another Mexican train round. Yeah.
Neither Bob nor Tom are the champion. Miss Pearl is.
Walked away with it.
She gets the crown.
She rolled over us.
Yep.
She actually rolled over us. She was that close to Bob.
Yep.
Or Bob was that close to her, really.
Right.
So
I was the big loser.
So the champion crown resides
at
with
the Caudell
with
house.
Next Exit at this point.
Yes. So we had birthday cake and we had munchies for lunch, and you got your ratings back.
Yeah, the radio ratings for the stations I consult in Idaho came back, so we did that yesterday also.
I think Bob and Pearl were kind of fascinated by it.
Yeah, they got to eavesdrop on the Zoom call.
Yes,
so.
they did. Yes, they did. Gosh, there was something else I was going to say about yesterday, but I don't remember. Oh, well. When we came back from Bob and Pearl's, we had a new neighbor, so there's a fifth wheel across the way here.
Fifth wheel with the truck right next to it, but there's no humans.
I didn't see anybody, and last night everything was pitch dark.
Nothing.
So
and they're still not here this morning, and it's like, wonder what's going on.
Maybe they just came and dropped the trailer. I don't know.
It's not a holiday weekend, so what's going on?
You've been complaining that it's cold. It's winter time.
It's been winter time in the morning here. It's been cold.
Winter is the 2 degrees that it's been in Reno with snow. Here it's just calendar winter.
What?
Calendar winter. It's only winter on the calendar for down here. That was like when we lived in Fresno and Bakersfield those couple of times, and people will go, oh, it's winter time, it's so cold. And it's like, it's not winter here. You don't have winter.
It's calendar winter.
It's just calendar winter.
Okay, that's good. One for Lori.
Well, right. But I understand it is going to be a little chillier up in Quartzsite.
Yeah, and don't blame us for bringing the cold air and the wind with us, even though we're getting there on Sunday, and by Sunday night it's supposed to be hellaciously windy, and
it's not that windy here, so it's not us bringing
We're not bringing it. We're coming from the south. That stuff's coming from the north.
Yeah, so, oh well. That's another reason why we haven't actually scheduled our in-person chat, is because we need to kind of check the weather, and we wanted it to be a little bit closer to the date to have a more accurate.
Once we get there and get set up and get comfy in a spot, then we will post everything and let y'all know exactly where we're going to be and the times and everything like that. And it's just a very relaxed stop by if you want to, and visit for however long you want to, as long as you're out of there in a few minutes. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I know we have kind of set the time that it'll be like from 2 to 6 in the afternoon, evening.
That's the best time, I think. Late afternoon.
Yeah. And, Wednesday or Thursday. So hopefully we'll be able to see you there.
It would be nice to see you there this coming week.
Yes.
All right?
I think that's it.
I think it's time to wrap it up.
I think it is. So everyone, you have a great week. We'll see ya next Saturday.
Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Bear, you ready for breakfast?
Okay, Bear.